Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is February the 21st. We are in Lawrenceville, Georgia. We're literally like 5 minutes from the shop. So what we got going to get today, guys, this is a special job. I'm going to tell you why this job is special. We're going to be doing some wood floors, 421 square feet, and also these countertops, all right? But what's so special about this job, this is the first job that I've gotten off my new van wrap. We was going up Buford Drive, and Miss Dana, who is my new client, she saw the van. She actually called me. Then she went to the website. She paid for the in-home consultation. I came out 2 weeks ago, did the consultation, and we're here today. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so these are the floors that we're doing. Got some white oak. The floors are really worn, okay? Also really soiled. As you can see, you're gonna see a huge difference in these floors. All through here. So I just had Miss Dana move her car because I don't want to risk of scratching it with the equipment. Also, I got Tavares with me today. So you can see these floors over here, guys. We're not doing these over here, but we are going to be doing the kitchen area. All right, and then also these countertops, man. These countertops can definitely use some good TLC. Beautiful countertops, by the way. And then up here, so it's not a big job, but it's a great job. And we're gonna make these wood floors. You see the scuff marks, all right? You see the scuff marks right there. So these floors are gonna look so much better when we're done. We're gonna go with a satin finish, rag coat, and yeah, guys. All right, let's get this party started. Stay tuned.
Hey, hey, brand new rock, shining in the Georgia sun. She pulled up behind me like, hold up, that's the one, yeah. Lawrenceville float, yeah, the phone started ringing. Before I hit the driveway, that consultation's pending. Wood Stone Kingdom, I ain't chasing no more. Screening Recoat, and we UV Countertops glowing like the lights on tour. Wrap the business riding down Sugarloaf Road, yeah. Fresh rack, fresh brand, fresh vision in motion. Blue and gold van, looking like an ocean. She said, I saw your truck, had to make that call. Put the consultation before I hit the mall. Wood up clean, flows had wear and tear. Minor scuffs, door finish everywhere. Screen it down smooth, lay protection thick. UV light flash, now it cured real quick. And we slid to the kitchen, stone look tired. Polish and buff, now it's relit, inspired. Countertop shining like a brand new bill. Lawrenceville job, old house fulfilled. That river don't sweep it, advertised it. Riding through Gwinnett, that marking it heavy. Wood Street Pass turned into revenue, branding so loud. She knew what to do, yeah. Brand new rap, shining in the Georgia sun. Hey, she pulled up behind me like, hold up, that's the one. Brand new rap, shining in the Georgia sun. Brand new rap, brand new rap. She pulled up behind me like, hold up, that's the one. Hey, wood flow seal, countertops pure. Screen and Recoat with the instant UV cure. Lawrenceville win, yeah, we leveling up. From the van to the vision, now the schedule full up. And long as trees growing, stone and door. Truman Hardwood Countertop, that's for sure.
There you go.
Wow. I'm not, oh, I can come in
Yeah, you come in. Just take your shoes off because we haven't cured it yet.
Okay.
All right, guys, we just got back. Look at that. Miss Donna, we left. Dana, sorry, Miss Dana. Again, first client that saw my wrap truck at the.
That's so pretty. Oh my God.
Looks good.
That's beautiful. And this does look better, but whatever you need to
Yep.
do, you know, I definitely want to pay you something to come back and do the rest.
Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now is the UV curing, and yeah. So go ahead and knock this out. We're gonna be off. Well, I'm not. T will be off Monday. We don't have any job scheduled for Monday, but I did schedule my last appointment for last week. But next Monday, I have 4 in-home consultations. So that's what I'll be doing, sales all day Monday. All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get this floor UV cured. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Yes, sir.